Oftentimes, cleaning your bicycle the right way lessens the likelihood of encountering issues that require servicing. Neglect can cause dirt to build up in the wrong places, and this could lead to accelerated wear and tear. Today, I'll start off by showing you how to clean your bike at home in 7 simple steps. If you need to do a quick repair or replacement of faulty parts, I'll be showing you how to service your bike in the next part of the video, so stay tuned. Now let's go into the steps on how to clean a bike. To start off, gather all the items you'll need for the cleaning, including a bicycle stand, water hose, bike shampoo, Selleys RP7 multi-purpose lubricant, a hard bristle brush, cleaning cloths or rags, bike grease, and lastly, bike polish. Once you have all the necessary items, it's time to start cleaning. Step 1. Place your bike on a stand for easy access to each component. If you don't have a bike stand, place the bike upside down on its seat and handlebar instead. Step 2. Rinse your bike down with water to remove any loose dirt. This will also ensure that the bike is wet enough for shampooing. Step 3. Apply bike shampoo to the frame and use a sponge or cloth to spread the soap around the frame. We recommend using a bike shampoo instead of regular soap, as it's non-abrasive and thus will not damage the paint color. Once the frame has been cleaned, rinse the soap off with water. Step 4. Clean the group set with Selleys RP7. The group set consists of the shifters, crankset, bottom bracket, front and rear derailleurs, chain and cassette. And because they're prone to rust, dirt and grime buildup, it's best to use a multi-purpose spray like Selleys RP7 for a squeaky clean finish. Once you're done, hose the group set down to rinse off the solution. Step 5. Use a small stiff brush to clean off any remaining dirt in the crevices of your bike, especially in tight areas around the linkages, suspension, chain rings and derailleurs. Step 6. Wipe your bike down with a clean dry cloth to remove excess water and prevent the bike parts from rusting. Once your bike is dry, it's time for Step 7, which is to lubricate the group set by applying bike grease on them. To check whether you've greased them enough, rotate the pedals and see if they run smoothly. Finally, to wrap things up, the very last thing to do is to polish your bike frame. While this is optional, polishing the frame gives your bike an extra oomph. Spray some bike polish on a clean cloth and use it to wipe the frame. Be careful not to get any of the bike polish into the brakes. And that's it. Your bicycle should be spotless and ready for a ride. But before you do so, you might want to do a quick inspection of your bike to ensure all the parts are functioning well. In this next part of the video, I'm going to show you the steps on how to inspect and service your bike. First, check the wheels. It may sound simple, but there are a few things to inspect. Spin the wheel and look at it from the front or rear. It shouldn't be wobbling more than 5 mm side to side. Then check if the quick release skewers are tight and working well, and if the hubs are spinning smoothly. Second, check the brakes and cables. This is extremely important to ensure your safety when riding the bike. To start, place your bike on a stand, spin the wheels and press the brakes. The brakes should lock instantly. If they don't, you'll need to have them replaced. Ensure that the cables have sufficient tension and that the brake levers do not have too much resistance. If any parts are worn out, you should get them replaced immediately. Third, check the gears and drivetrain. This involves the pedals, chain rings, front and rear derailleurs, and cassette. To test them, use your hand to press on the pedals as if you were riding the bike and watch how the chain moves on the cassette. It should be shifting smoothly upward and downward between the small and big ends of the cassette. Last but not least, tighten everything up. Take care to ensure that all bolts on the bicycle are tight, while still adhering to the torque rating to prevent over-tightening. You should also check that the headset, handlebars, and stems are kept sufficiently tight but not overly so. Over-tightening to the point of not being able to turn the handlebars freely could lead to more damage to the bearings and other components. With that, your bike is good to go, and you're no longer a beginner at cleaning and servicing your bike. For more DIY and how-to guides, you can check out our latest videos or visit our website in the description below. Remember to subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful tutorial videos. See you soon.